Hey everyone, how do I create a password to protect a zip file? It's a very simple. First of all, right click on the folder you would like to put into a zipped file. Click Add to Archive. Choose Archive name. Choose Archive format. You can choose any format, RAR or zip file. I chose RAR file. Then set password. Enter password. Re-enter password and hit OK. Again hit OK. Now creating file. Created a protected RAR file. Let's go to check. Right click on the file. Click extract file. Hit OK. Enter password. And hit OK. I hope everyone is clear. See you again.